matter of great pleasure and satisfaction that on our invitation, the international visitors from 23 countries, more than 75 in number, are here to witness, to do as a visitor our elections, to watch our elections. And there are around 10 and more chairmen and the equivalent of chief election commissioners of the different countries who are here. It's a really matter of great honor for us, and this is in line with our established policy of disclosing, working from the position of strength, that we have nothing to hide. We have nothing to hide, so we are inviting them. We are saying go to the booths. They are going to 5 cities, 5 states, and they'll go even to the booths to see how democratic festival is being celebrated in India in a transparent manner. Press is there, political parties are there, agents are there. So that's what we have invited them to go and visit our locations.
They are witnessing the photos here?
They are here for, this batch is here for phase 3rd. There might be some because we invited more countries. So there may be some more coming in the 4th phase or even 5th phase.
So do you think that the percentage of voting is
We appeal to all the voters to come and vote in large numbers. We have made very robust planning and good facilities at the polling stations. We are doing the meeting with the meteorological departments quite frequently. Weather conditions are, as per the time of this month, are stated to be normal. There is a heat, no doubt, but there is no variation that way. So we have made robust arrangements of water, ORS, shades at the polling stations, and large number of organizations are working with us, like railways, airports, petrol pumps, banks, post offices, to voluntarily spread the message to the voters to come and vote. It is everybody's right, everybody's also responsibility to come and vote, more of a right. So we appeal again and again for them to come in large numbers. Percentages in both the phases has been 66 and plus, which is a good percentage. But surely phase 3 and onwards, voters will cross that also.